Zuma's worst nightmare, Duduzane to be charged for Mcebisi Jonas bribe plot. Duduzane Zuma, son of former President Jacob Zuma, has agreed to surrender himself this week to face charges over his alleged involvement in the Gupta plot to bribe former Deputy Finance Minister Mcebisi Jonas. The 34-year-old's lawyer, Rudy Krause, told the Sunday Times Duduzane would hand himself over to the National Prosecuting Authority at the Specialized Commercial Crimes Court in Johannesburg. The date and time for his appearance will be agreed on today. Krause said he did not know what charges Duduzane would face, but NPA and Hawks sources confirmed they related to the Jonas bribe, adding that Duduzane was the only person who had been summoned. Advocate Mike Helens, who has acted for the Guptas and had been expected to represent Duduzane, confirmed he had declined to offer his services to avoid claims of a conflict of interest, as he had previously acted for Jonas. The former president is understood to have been deeply concerned about the prospect that his son would be arrested or charged if he returned to South Africa, and advised him against attending the funeral yesterday of his brother, Mcebisi, 25. Insiders told the Sunday Times the charges against Duduzane would be the realization of his father's worst nightmare,